So this is a tornado white loaf. So I have a penguin now. So we toss here. So solo toss here. Time is 2:30 in the afternoon. Survivor toss, solo toss, penguin loaf. Here, we open the door. So we toss here. Toss. So here, the pigeon we toss now is 15 miles. Toss. We toss 15 miles. Here, the pigeon we toss. We lock here. Lock here. We toss now 15 mile. We toss. So good morning mga kaloof. So this day 2:50 in the afternoon. So very hot. So we toss our pigeon here at the back. This is my pigeon here at the back here. And we solo toss. We solo toss my pigeon now. So now we toss our pigeon here at the back. We toss. This is a mountain. We climb the mountain. 50 miles. Good. 50 miles. 50 miles we toss. 50 miles here. We toss pigeon here. So we are arriving. Tornado white loaf. We are arriving now. So you see the sky is very hot. We go. It was here. It was our bird. Pigeon here. We see the road. So this is the bird fly here into the here near in the road. So the bird is so very busog, eating and condition. No antibiotic drink, no. This is pure feeds now. And this is a solo toss for my pigeon here. White pigeon. So I bring a white and falcon. We see the falcon is uli here. Uli here. Uli here. So this is the area of the side of my pigeon. Now, one way now, one way. Our bird solo toss. The road is so very bad. So we toss our pigeon here, pigeon. We toss with pigeon. Tinggal ko tayo. pigeon. Here, we toss my pigeon so that we can see who is the best pigeon. Here, we toss. Good pigeon. So the time is 5 minutes. And we 5 miles kilometer from my home. This is very deep mountain. My pigeon here. We toss. If she back, it's good. This way. Here. So far here. We toss. And so yard. So sa kabilang buntod ba natin toss yung natin, yung kalabati natin. Sa kabilang bundok pa, sa kabilang bundok. True Mountain. Here. Because this is a mountain here. This is we go to the far. In my house, very far, 50 miles. So we are, I think, 10 or 60 miles here. There we go. Here, this is a deep mountain here. You see that mountain? So very deep here. We toss. We toss here. Very far. Very far. Tornado loop. 50 miles. First toss 50 miles. No practice. So now let's go. We toss here. This is 31 miles for my loop here. It's very deep here. So many forests here. So we toss my penguin here. We toss. So this is my this is my penguin here. Let's see is we back in my home. We toss. This is almost, we count here, 4 penguin, 5 penguin, 5. We toss a 5 penguin here, 5 penguin. We toss a 5 penguin. So let's see. We toss now. Let's go. We toss now. We toss my 5 penguin here. We toss. We toss now. Let's see. We're back again. Pitos. Hoy. Like crazy, look. Here. Pitos now. Pitos. Let's see, pitos now. Like crazy penguin now. Hey, pitos. Let's see it. We come back. We back. Another one. So the one, only one here. It's a baby penguin here. We put. Come. We go home. She's baby here. Harbing here. So the here, my car here, the toss here, the baby penguin. Yeah. Back. We go our home. See, not good. So we push here. See here. Come back again. Across here. Those here, those here. The penguin here. Coming down. And down here. 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 It was here. Happy here. Penguin here. Here. See only one. See only one here. There. Dirty is arrived. So, ara, yung uli ng sa one. The one is coming here. Yan, yung uli na, Yan, yung uli na. Oh, yung uli na. Ang tulo, yung uli. Yan o yan, yung uli o, Yan o, yung uli o. Yung uli na. Come home na. Tornado white loop. Oh, uli o. Halhaloy. 31 miles. Uli siya. Nandito na sila. Oh. Halhalo. 31 miles. Mga ka-tornado loop. Uwi na yung ano. Natin, ibon natin oh. Yan. Yan. Uli siya, yung uli. May pagka-training yun. Ha, uli oy. Murag pa nito ilang piraming uli. Ilayo kayo, 31 miles. Halhal siya oy.